Today I'm going to show you how to remove saved card details from Chrome quickly and safely. If you've ever saved a credit card or debit card in Google Chrome and want to delete it, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is useful if you no longer want Chrome to store payment information, if you're using a shared computer, or if you simply want better control over your saved autofill data. And before we get into it, if this guide helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its settings and tools. Click those three dots, and from the menu that appears, select Settings. Now you're inside Chrome Settings. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of different sections. Look for Autofill and passwords. This area controls the information Chrome saves for you, including addresses, passwords, and payment details. Click Autofill and passwords, then choose Payment Methods. This is the section where Chrome stores your saved card information. Once you're in Payment Methods, take a look at the saved cards listed on the page. You may see credit cards, debit cards, and billing details that Chrome has stored for autofill. In some cases, Chrome may also show payment cards saved to your Google account, not just the browser itself. That means if you use the same Google account across devices, the card may appear on multiple Chrome browsers. Now find the card you want to remove. Next to that card, click the three-dot menu. You should see an option that says Delete. Click Delete to remove the saved card details from Chrome. Chrome may ask you to confirm the action, so if prompted, go ahead and confirm. Once that's done, the card will be removed from the Save Payment Methods list. If you want to remove more than one card, simply repeat the same process for each saved payment method you no longer want stored. It's a good idea to review the list carefully, especially if you use autofill for online shopping or subscriptions, because deleting a card means Chrome won't automatically fill it in again later. And if you're worried about privacy, this is a smart habit to keep. Removing old card details can help reduce clutter, improve account security, and make sure only the payment methods you still use remain saved in Chrome. If you ever need to add a new card later, you can always do that through Chrome's payment settings again. So that's it. You've now learned how to remove saved card details from Chrome. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.